Hey, Slaughter Food Creations, and today we are doing water chestnuts wrapped in chicken skin. And I'm going for a deep fried crispy chicken skin on the outside. It's been seasoned, salt and pepper, and we're gonna use sriracha mayo and a wasabi mayo for dipping sauces. So stay tuned for some tasty treats. Gonna be good. Look at them frying away. They're getting there. Gonna be golden brown and crispy soon. Forget about it. Alright, let's go ahead and try one of these good, crispy, golden water chestnut chicken skin wrapped appetizers here with some wasabi mayo. Mmm, that is amazing. Mmm. Now to try the one with sriracha mayo. Alright, here's some sriracha mayo. Time for a nice big bite of that. Oh man. You gotta try this. Water chestnuts wrapped in crispy chicken skin. Some nice dipping sauces. It is amazing. See you soon.